Hi, it's Ben from MacDot. In this tutorial, I will explain how to add Google Translate in WordPress easily. The first step is to install the GTranslate plugin in WordPress. There are another plugins, but they are not that good as this one. You can check that it has the best reviews. Once you install and activate it, go to Settings and GTranslate. Here you can change the appearance of the widget, but the one that comes by default looks good. You must also set the language for your site. In this case, it is a site in English. If you want to appear on the menu, you can do it. Also, you can make it a floating widget. The most used place on almost every website is the top right, but you can choose the one that you want. Below, you can select all the languages you want to appear on your website. Then save the changes. Now you can see what your website looks like. If you also want to add the GTranslate widget somewhere else, you can go to Appearance and Widgets. And here you can add the GTranslate widget on the sidebar, footer, or another place. And voila! Your website can now be read in any language. Feel free to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.